In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place trades on TradingView, along with some essential execution hacks using the latest update. Start by visiting TradingView.com. If you're not logged in, you can easily sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, navigate to the charting section, which is where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you're new to TradingView. Next, locate the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find options like available brokers and trading setups. If you're learning or want to practice risk-free, use the paper trading feature. This is perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders testing new strategies. Click on paper trading and connect to it. Now, it's time to start your trade. Click on the trade button to open a new order ticket. Select the order option to set up your trade specifics. You'll encounter various options to adjust parameters, such as the asset you wish to trade, the order type, market or limit order, and the quantity. Carefully specify all the necessary order details to align with your strategy. Double-check everything before confirming to execute your order. If you need to tweak your existing trade, TradingView makes it easy. Click on the Modify Order option to adjust parameters like stop loss and take profit levels. This ensures your trade aligns perfectly with your strategy and market conditions. For an even more optimized trading experience, consider customizing your order ticket. Customizations can streamline your trading process by presetting certain parameters or preferences, saving time for future trades. This guide provides a straightforward approach to placing trades on TradingView, complete with tips for an efficient trading experience. Practicing with paper trading before going live helps refine your techniques and boosts confidence in executing trades. TradingView's updates have made online trading more accessible and intuitive. I hope these steps clarify any doubts and better equip you to navigate TradingView's trade execution process. Happy trading!